are going to discuss the IELTS General Book 17 Test 4, the Writing Task 1, the formal email or letter. You have bought some clothing online and are not satisfied with your purchase. Write a letter to the company that you bought the clothing from. In your email, give details of the purchase, describe the problem, and explain why you need a replacement urgently. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. This 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Sir or Madam. In para 1, mention the main purpose of this letter. In para 2, give details of the purchase. In para 3, describe the problem. And in para 4, explain why you need a replacement urgently. In para 5, summarize the letter. And then end with yours faithfully, Jason Bronson. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I regularly make purchases through your internet-based shopping website, and last week I made a purchase for which I need an urgent replacement. Kindly refer to your sales invoice A4436 dated 24th June 2023. The invoiced items are a pair of dark blue jeans and a white t-shirt. Upon receiving the package, I noted that the package as well as its contents were damp. Upon a closer inspection of the clothes, I discovered several stains on them. When I declined to accept it, the deliverer informed me that there was no provision for him to take it back. I could, however, email a request for replacement. I had ordered this clothing specifically for a social event that is being held next week, and therefore I require this order to be replaced immediately. Kindly act upon my request with urgency, as a delay will result into the purpose of this order not being met. Yours faithfully, Jason Bronson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.